Today's Q&A comes from Cindy, 2616, and I chose it because I think it demonstrates the progression of many of us personally in this shift from the elite-owned, government-manipulated matrix that we have found ourselves in. The fog is literally lifting and ongoing disclosure efforts are going nicely. I think that for so long, we just heard the word medbeds and really didn't think about the sophistication of the technology and how it was going to get here. Most humans are literally like innocents that have been abused. We've adapted and we think it's normal. When we heard the word medbed and instant and complete health, we just assumed that worldwide government organizations like the World Health Organization, Big Pharma, and the global banks were going to sit back and give us medbeds, like it was some new scientific discovery that the industrial medical system funded. It's not, it's just the opposite. It is a timeless and ageless technology that they have been trying to suppress. So we must understand that all of this regulatory control must somehow be changed or overcome. What is happening is that the world is breaking decades of programming. When a celebrity or other person of influence breaks their programming, they just take them away for a vacation like Michael Jackson's mother when she disappeared. If that doesn't work, they totally discredit you, such as was done with Britney Spears, Amanda Bynes, and Michael Jackson. If you don't shut up then, I don't think I need to tell you the next step. Just think Michael Jackson. We're waking up and we are seeing the nightmare. It's not going to be easy to see what is about to be revealed, and at some point, we could be overwhelmed and feel helpless. As critical thinkers, we should discuss how much the people should know about the depravity that has gone on under our noses. So think about this, and we'll discuss this shortly. There's no magic wand where this is going to happen overnight. It is anticipated to take 5 years for the complete shift, but there is evidence that the medbeds are a priority and will be much sooner. I'm thankful that everyone is gaining a better understanding of what our beautiful Terra is undergoing along with its people. Our planet is breathtaking, and so can our lives be. We allowed ourselves to be violated in the worst way, and we are fighting back with the help of an amazing universe. Don't forget to like, share, and always tell me your thoughts. I've got some shopping links and you can leave a tip under the 3 dots if you like what I'm doing. So this video comes from Cindy, 2616.
Our existence has been turned upside down and inside out. I don't expect to get the truth anytime soon. Truth seems like a meaningless word for now anyway. It's becoming obvious that no one knows the whole truth about anything. Many of us have turned away from mainstream media to so-called truther channels to get the elusive truth, but are finding that lies and deception are in abundance there too. And maybe that's been the point all along, for us to realize that we need to turn inward for answers and stop looking externally. It's unnerving to realize I know nothing. All that's left is to trust that everything will be okay. It's like having our slates wiped clean and having nothing to fill them with. I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate and value your honesty. I believe you are being honest, which is why I come here. To explore. I don't come to hear what I want to hear, so thank you.
Dear Cindy, I'm so thankful for your comment. Though many others have expressed impatience and perhaps frustration, I don't think any have done it so eloquently. You are not alone. We must remember that we are being guided by the Federation, and they have helped many civilizations evolve in the past. And I think you hit the nail right on the head when you said, and maybe that's been the point all along, for us to realize that we need to turn inward for answers and stop looking externally. This is the part that so many of us can't quite get. Many mechanisms have been contrived to stop us from discovering the innate power of the human body. I kinda wish I was 30 again with what I know now. We have a few very wise people at that age on our channel, but they are quite rare. With experience comes wisdom, and those experiences take time, and I believe we're all going to be given some more of that to evolve. Do you remember the line in the movie Contact where the ET told Jodie Foster that their existence would be a slow reveal? The being in her dad's image said,
"We thought this might make things a little easier for you. You're an interesting species, an interesting mix. You're capable of such beautiful dreams and such horrible nightmares. You feel so lost, so cut off, so alone, only you're not. See, in all our searching, the only thing we found that makes the emptiness bearable is each other. This is the way it's been done for billions of years."
Yes, it's taking a long time. Disclosure has been slowly occurring over decades, so try to hang on. We are so close, guys, and I do believe the way that this is coming down was the best way to assure success in killing the beast. So we know it's going slow, and every day more and more intel comes out, but I want to get back to the question at hand. How much should the Alliance disclose about what the deep state has done to us from our infancy on this planet? Clearly, they should be punished to the fullest extent. That isn't the question. Assuming that they are all removed from society, do you believe it's necessary to tell us everything that these demons have done? From the unspeakable abuses of our innocent children to the government-supported biological warfare? Does the value of knowing it all outweigh the trauma that knowing could cause to so many? We as a civilization must know what happened, but when does the frequencies of anger and horror become counterproductive to the vibrations necessary to evolve? It's a conundrum, so tell me your thoughts. Of course, I have my own thoughts about this, which I will post in the comments, but I'd like to know what you think. While the Federation has done this many times before and likely know best, they just might be interested in our opinion, so feel free to shout it out, but don't get me kicked off the platform. I love you guys. While I may not currently feel your pain, I have been through all of the feelings that you are going through, and there is a peace in knowing and believing that this hell on earth is almost over. Until next time, here's a quote from Tori Amos to think about. Healing takes courage, and we all have courage, even if we have to dig a little to find it.